Hello everyone, I am Edgar Pavão, the lead developer of the project Migration for Delphi. I will demonstrate how easy to install the Migration for Delphi library. Let's go to the project website hosted by Bitbucket. There we'll click on Download section and then on Download repository link. Now we have to wait for the download. After we download the project, we need to decompress it. Therefore, add the project to a location of your own choice within the system and decompress it. Okay. Right after that, we go to the Delphi for the library installation. Let's go to Tools, Options, Library, and in Library Path, add the path for the Delphi to be able to find the units we need. To do this, we add two folders, the Classes and Interfaces folder. Ready. We can leave because the project has already been installed. Additionally, I recommend installing the wizard for creating the migrations, which comes with the project. With this wizard, we can greatly facilitate migrations creation. To do this, let's open the wizard project. Now, just go to the project manager and install it. Okay, the Migration for Delphi is fully installed and is now available in your projects. Thanks. You can contact me in Twitter or by email. Bye bye.